Hi team! In this video I would like to show you how you can lock user's account and change password aging. To demonstrate this, I will create a user named John and give him a password. To create his account, let's type in sudo user add John. Sudo user add and hit enter. Now I will give John a password using the password command. Let's type in sudo password John, hit enter. Let's create the password for John. Let's type in twice. I will verify that the Johns has a password by looking at the etc shadow file. Let's type in sudo cat etc shadow and hit enter. Okay. We can see that he has an encoded password in the second field of his name over here. Now let's lock his password and look at the easy shadow file again. To lock his password, we will use the password command with the -l option. Let's type in sudo password l John and hit enter. And now let's verify the etc file. Okay, let's hit enter. So we see that the password next to the John has an exclamation point, and this is the indication that his password been locked. Password -l only locks the password, and as such, as user can log in with the SSH keys. To fully lock the account, we will use the change command. Let's type in sudo change -E0 John and hit enter. Now let's list John's account aging using the -l command. Sudo change l John and hit enter. And we see that his account expires on the January 1st, 1970. To reverse this, let's change the expiration to -1, which will turn off account expiration. So let's type in sudo change E -1 John and hit enter. Okay, so let's verify this again. Let's hit enter. We see that now his account expires and the value set to never. To see a status of the user password, we can use a password command with the -S option. Let's type in sudo password -S John and hit enter. This shows that we see the L here, the capital L here, so that means that John's password has been locked. To unlock his account, let's use the password command again. Let's type in sudo password -u John and hit enter. And now let's verify again. Let's hit enter. We see that the capital L has been changed for the P, which indicates that the password is set and usable. Another option to keep users from logging in interactively is to change their shell. Let's take a quick look at the etc password file. Let's type in cat /etc /password and hit enter. We see that the all non-login account has their shell set to /no login, like this examples. This allows those accounts to function in the sense that they can run applications and on files, but the user could not log into any of them. Let's change John shell to slash no login. Let's type in sudo usermod dash s space s bin space no login John and hit enter. Now let's verify this. Okay, and we see that John over here has no login been set next to his account. To reverse this process, we can just change it back to bin slash. Alright, this is all that I have for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.